Ginger Cashew Oatmeal Raisin Cookies have a strong ginger herb flavor with a soft and chewy texture. This recipe makes a generous 3 dozen 40-gram cookies and takes less than an hour to prepare. Start by roasting honey cashew granola because it needs to be cool before it can be folded into the cookie dough. To make half a kilogram or a generous pound, toss 200 grams rolled oats with 150 grams chopped cashews and 150 grams honey. Then spread onto a silicone-lined baking sheet and toast in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven, stirring once or twice until golden brown, which takes about 15 to 20 minutes. When cool, the granola should be dry and easy to separate. Then scale the remaining dry ingredients and wet ingredients separately. For the dry ingredients, toss 150 grams pastry flour, 50 grams barley malt, 5 grams baking powder, 5 grams baking soda, 5 grams salt, and set the bowl aside. For the wet ingredients, saute 100 grams cashews and 100 grams butter, the zest of an orange, 15 grams garam masala, and 50 grams Jägermeister liqueur. Turn off the heat to mix in 50 grams sugar, 15 grams dried ginger, and 15 grams blackstrap molasses. Allow the cashews to cool and blend the mixture into a smooth paste. Mix the cashew paste with 200 grams raisins, 150 grams brown sugar, 50 grams honey, 2 large eggs, the honey cashew granola, and the remaining dry ingredients. Then fold in 180 grams white chocolate chips evenly and form into 40-gram portions or round cookie dough pucks. Refrigerate until ready to bake or freeze the dough pucks and bake to order later. When the dough pucks are room temperature, evenly space them on a silicone mat. Lightly press them into an even disc shape and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 14 minutes. The cookies are done when they are nicely browned around the edges and crusted over in the center, but still soft.